Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Hafezi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the syllabus for MSc Chemistry semester 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th CBCS based, and this syllabus belongs to B.R. Ambedkar Bihar University, Muzaffarpur, Department of Chemistry. So CBCS based syllabus for MSc Chemistry 2-year programs. Just read these informations, general informations, and this information is very important. First information, it is 2 years master degree program. Second, there shall be 4 semesters to complete program, 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th semester. Each semester shall consist 15 weeks of academic work equivalent to 90 actual teaching days. This program will have 3 types of course: compulsory course, core course and elective course. What is the meaning of core course? The core course are those courses whose knowledge is deemed essential for the students registered for a particular master degree program. Elective course means the elective course can be chosen from a pool of papers in 2nd and 4th semester. Each course will have 100 marks in full and divided as 17 marks for in-semester exams and 30 marks for internal assessment work, except in Ability Enhancement course, Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course 1, Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course 2 and practical papers. Internal assessment will be in 2 internal exams of 10 marks each, 5 marks for seminar, internal project and 5 marks for attendance or discipline. In practical papers, the distribution of marks in CIEF will be same as prescribed for them and semester practical papers. A student in 4th semester can choose a generic papers or core course 5 paper of any other subject of the faculty as DSE, department discipline specific enhanced course. The credit, a unit by which the course work is measured. It determines the number of hours of instruction required per week. 1 credit is equivalent to 1 hour of teaching, lecture or tutorials, or 2 hours of practical work, field work per week. So my friends, you can see here the MSc Chemistry 2 years course choice based credit system in MSc 1st semester. So we have the 5 paper: core course 1, core course 2, core course 3, core course 4 and ability enhancement compulsory course 1. So this is the discipline in organic chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, practical, environmental sustainability and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan activities. This is the credit and maximum marks 100, 100, 100, 50, 50 and here 50. In 2nd semester, again 6 papers, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, core course 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, ability enhancement course 1, advances in chemistry, in organic chemistry 2nd, physical chemistry 2, organic chemistry 2 and practical organic chemistry. And this is the maximum marks. In semester 3rd, core course 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, ability enhancement compulsory course 2, applied of spectroscopy, bio inorganic chemistry, environmental chemistry and green chemistry, bioorganic chemistry, practical inorganic chemistry, human values and professional ethics and gender sensitization. This is the maximum marks 100, 50, 50, here 50. Now MSc 4th semester, elective course 1, elective course 2, 1, and that is for inorganic chemistry special. Elective course 2, here B, you can see 1A and 1B, 1C, and 2A, 2B, 2C. So 1A and 2A inorganic chemistry specialization. Here 1B and 2B physical chemistry special and physical chemistry special practical. 1C and 2C organic chemistry special and organic chemistry special practical. Discipline specific courses and generic elective. Discipline electives. So candidates should choose any among the following groups: 1A or 2A, 1B or 2B, 1C or 2C. Means organic chemistry special or physical chemistry special or inorganic chemistry special. So this is the syllabus. Core course 1, inorganic chemistry, unit 1, Vesper theory, and unit 2, magnetochemistry, unit 3, metal ligand equilibria in solution, unit 4, reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes, and unit 5th, isopoly and heteropoly. These books are recommended for the studies. Here core course 2, physical chemistry, unit macromolecules, unit 2, electrochemistry, unit 3, chemical dynamics, unit 4th, chemical thermodynamics, and unit 5th, statistical thermodynamics. And these are books recommended for studies. And CC 3rd, unit 1, nature of bonding in organic molecules, unit 2, stereochemistry, unit 3rd, reaction mechanism, structure and reactivity, unit 4th, aliphatic nucleophilic substitution, unit 5th, aliphatic electrophilic substitution. These are books recommended for this course. And practical in first semester, physical chemistry, any one experiments. You can see water equivalent of calorimeter determination, heat of solution of potassium nitrate, heat of neutralization of a strong acid and strong base, basicity of polybasic acid, determination of rate constant, study of saponification of ethyl acetate, to determine the distribution coefficient of acetic acid and benzoic acid, determine the specific and molar rotation of sucrose, determination of rate constant of inversion of cane sugar, determination of dissociation constant of acetic acid by conductometric titration, and Viva book 15 marks, note book 5. You have ability enhancement compulsory course 1, environmental sustainability and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan activities. So semester 2, core course 5th, unit 1, nuclear chemistry, unit 2, chemistry of nanomaterials, unit 3, solid state chemistry, unit 4, industrial application of chemistry, unit 5th, waste management. Core course 2 and 6th in semester 2, unit 1, bonding in coordination chemistry, unit 2, electronic spectra of transition metal complexes, unit 3, symmetry in chemistry, unit 4, group theory in chemistry, and unit 5th, metal pi complexes. And these are books. Again, core course 7th, you have the unit 1, introduction to quantum mechanics, unit 2, exactly soluble systems, unit 3, approximate method, unit 4th, Haeckel's molecular orbital theory, and unit 5th, chemical bonding. These are the books, recommended books. Now you have the core course 8, unit 1, addition to carbon-carbon multiple bond, Unit 2, photochemistry of carbonyl compounds. Unit 3, pericyclic reactions. Unit 4, carbohydrate. Unit 5, amino acid, peptides and proteins. Core course 9. This is the particle, organic particles, quantitative analysis and organic synthesis via 2 steps preparations. Viva book 15 marks and notebook 5 marks. In semester 2, you have the ability enhancement course 1. So in semester 3, you have the CC 10th, Unit 1 rotational spectroscopy, Unit 2 vibrational spectroscopy, Unit 3 photoelectron spectroscopy, Unit 4th magnetic resonance spectroscopy, and Unit 5th application of spectroscopy like UV visible spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy, PMR, CMR spectroscopy, and mass spectrometry. These are book for recommended book. Now you can see semester 3rd core course 11th, Unit 1 metal ion in biological system, bioenergetic in ATP cycle, transport and storage of dioxygen, electron transfer in biology, metals in enzymes and medicine. Recommended book. In semester 3, CC 12, environments, 2nd unit hydrosphere, Unit 3rd atmosphere, and then Unit 4th green chemistry, definition and objective, green chemistry real application, and these are the suggested book. And 13, core course 13, Unit 1 enzymes, Unit 2 mechanism of enzyme action, Unit 3 reactions catalyzed by enzymes, and Unit 4th coenzyme chemistry, and Unit 5th bioenergetics and protein metabolism. And these are the list of books. Now core course 14, practical inorganic chemistry. You have the quantitative analysis of 2 constituent ion of the following, green method of preparation of the following complexes, qualitative analysis of inorganic mixtures, Viva book and notebook. And semester 3, you have ability enhancement compulsory course 2, human values and professional ethics and gender sensitization. Now you have the elective course 1A, inorganic chemistry space, Unit 1 alkyls and aryls transitions metal, Unit 2 transition metal pi complexes, Unit 3 homogeneous catalysts, Unit 4th supramolecular chemistry, and Unit 5th you have molecular rearrangement and spectroscopic application. These are the recommended book. Elective course 1B in semester 4th, physical chemistry special, Unit 1 Hartree-Fock theory, semi-empirical theory, Unit 2 catalysis and oscillatory behavior, Unit 3 kinetics of condensed phase reactions, study of fast reaction, Unit 4 kinetics of electrode reactions, and Unit 5 corrosion thermodynamic of solid. These are recommended books. Elective course 1C organic chemistry special, you have Unit 1 terpenoids, Unit 2 alkaloids, Unit 3 drug design, Unit 4 drug like anti-neoplastic agent, cardiovascular drug, and tubercular drugs, and Unit 5th heterocyclic compound. These are the recommended books. And you have the semester 4th elective course 2A, practical inorganic chemistry, qualitative analysis of inorganic mixture containing 6 radicals, and analysis of at least 2 metal ion in alloys and minerals, Viva book and record. Same as physical chemistry, practical, conductometric titration of a strong acid, a strong base, potentiometrically pH of given solution using hydrogen electrode or quinine hydrogen electrode, and same as you have the Practical of organic chemistry. Separation and identification of organic compound using chemical method from organic mixture.